So I am sharing my screen. So next question number 2, exercise 8.1. In figure 8.13, PQR figure is given already in the question. Okay, it is 12 centimeter, it is 13 centimeter. So actually question is this question in the figure, PQ is 12, PR is 13, and angle Q is 90 degree. So first step will be finding the base by PGT. So
5.
okay, 5 is correct, right? Okay, so QR square equals to PR square minus PQ square. So it is 13 square minus 12 square, that is 169 minus 144, that is equal to 25, or QR equals to under root 25, that is equal to 5. So I can write this 5 centimeter here. Okay, now we have to find tan P minus cot R. So tan P. Now if angle P is under consideration, what is first of all, tan P is what? Perpendicular upon base, isn't it? Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Now if angle P is under consideration, what is perpendicular? QR
5.
and base is PQ. So that is equal to 5 upon 12. Next we have to find cot R. So okay, this is base upon perpendicular. Okay, cot R, if angle R is under consideration, okay, what is base? QR, and what is perpendicular? PQ. So QR is 5 and PQ is 12. Okay, so what we have to find is their difference. Okay, we have to find tan.
Ma'am, 0.
So 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, that is equal to
0.
0. This is the answer. Is it clear? So just type Y, those who understood this question. So 1 minute. Siddharth, Kavin, Avni, Hinal, Himani, Harini. What about others? Yash? Understood the question? Okay. Okay, so I guess everybody understood. Now, next question. Question 4. Given 15 cot A is equal to 8. Okay. 15 cot A equals to 8. It is given. We have to find sin A and sec A. Okay. So first of all, we'll make a figure. Okay. Suppose this is angle A. अगर हमको cot A, sin A या ऐसा कुछ भी दिया है तो A को कभी भी 90 डिग्री नहीं लेना है. Okay. Make triangle ABC with A angle other than 90 degree. Okay. Now cot A, from question we can say that cot A equals to 8 by 15. Okay. And what is cot? Base upon perpendicular. Okay. So if angle A is under consideration, what is base? Base is AB and perpendicular is BC. Okay. That means, yes. So AB can be written as 8K and BC can be written as 15K. Okay. Now AC we can find by Pythagoras theorem. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. That is equal to 8K square plus 15K square. Okay. So
17.
that is 64. Okay, it's 17. Yes, it's correct. 25 k square. So it is 9, 8, 289 k square, or AC is under root of 289 k square, that is equal to 17k. Okay. Now we have to find sine A. Sine A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. If angle A is under consideration, perpendicular is BC, hypotenuse is AC. So BC is 15 and AC is 17. Okay. Sec A. Sec A is hypotenuse upon
7.
base. 17 hypotenuse upon base. Base is 8. This K and K will cancel, so I am not writing this K term. Okay. So 8.1, this fourth we are doing. 15 by 17 and 17 by 8. This both answers are correct. Is it clear? Just type Y if this is clear to everybody. Okay. If anybody is having any doubt, you can type doubt. If you want me to explain it again, please, you can like say to explain again. Whatever, it's not necessary every time to type Y. If you have any doubt, you can type doubt also. Okay. So, okay. So everybody is agreeing that everybody understood. Okay. Now, question number 6. Okay. A and B are two acute angles. Okay. So in a triangle, A and B are two acute angles. Okay. Such that cos A equals to cos B. Cos A equals to cos B. Okay. Now cos A we know that it is base upon hypotenuse. Okay. So now, and base, if angle A is under consideration, what is base? AC, hypotenuse is AB. Okay. Cos B is also base upon hypotenuse, but if angle B is under consideration, the base will be BC and hypotenuse will be AB. Okay. Now, what we have to, it is given that cos A equals to cos B and we have to prove angle A equals to angle B. So if I substitute cos A equals to cos B, that is AC upon AB equals to BC upon AB, I can say that AC equals to BC. Okay. In a triangle, if two sides are equal, okay, I can say that angles are also equal. If two sides are equal, angle opposite to these sides are also equal. This we have studied in class 9th. So therefore
Yes,
we can, yes, therefore we can say that angle A equals to angle B. Okay. So hence proved. Is it clear? What is given? Yes, it is given and we have to prove. 1 minute. Angle A equals to angle B. Yes, Nirviksha.
मैम आई वाज आस्किंग कि मैम बुक क्वेश्चन में दे रखा है कॉस और ऐसा मैम, बट किस बेसिस पे कॉस स्टेन और ये सब होते हैं?
किस बेसिस पे मतलब
ये सब मेनली होते क्या है?
ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज हैं. मतलब किसी भी ट्रायंगल में कोई भी दो साइड्स का रेशियो है तो उसको ऐसे डिफाइन किया है. साइन इज रेशियो ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस. कॉस इज रेशियो ऑफ बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस. सो एक्चुअली इट इज दिस इज वेरी बेसिक of trigonometry and it is used to find like length of tall buildings or like length of river, or this it finds a lot of application in this type of things.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है. बाकी ये मतलब एक रेशो को ऐसे डिफाइन किया है, साइन को, कॉस को, टैन को, जैसे तो. सो यू हैव टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लर्न दिस बेसिक 6 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you learned all the 6, like sine, what is sine theta? If I ask, do you
Ma'am,
know
I
what is?
have read it once, but not 100%.
Okay, okay, okay.
I'll
So
learn.
this you have to learn, otherwise trigonometry will be difficult. Okay. Question
Yes,
6.
ma'am,
Okay.
I will learn.
Okay. And every student before sitting for the maths or science class, whatever we have done in previous class should be learned and read thoroughly. Okay, so that you follow the next class properly. Okay. Hina Limani are asking to explain the question 6. Okay, I am explaining again. Question 6, it is given cos A equals to cos B. Okay. एक ट्रायंगल है जिसमें cos A और cos B दोनों इक्वल है और दोनों एक्यूट एंगल्स हैं. ओके, वी हैव टू प्रूव that angle A equals to angle B. So first of all, we'll make a triangle ABC. Okay. Now cos A, I can, if I represent this angle as A, cos A can be written as AC upon AB. Cos B can be written as BC upon AB. And it is given that this cos A equals to cos B. So when instead of cos A, I'll substitute AC upon AB. Instead of cos B, I'll substitute BC upon AB. So I can say that AC equals to BC. Okay. In a triangle, if two sides are equal, okay, then angles opposite to this sides are also equal. This we have seen in class 9th. Therefore, if AC equals to BC, we can say that angle A equals to angle B. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hina Limani,
Yes,
is it?
ma'am.
Okay. So I am moving to question 7. Still, if doubt is there, you can ask. Okay. Question 7. If cot theta equals to 7 by 8, we have to evaluate first thing 1 plus sine theta 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. Okay. So first of all, okay, कहीं कहीं पे A, B, C नहीं देके theta दिया होगा. So in that case, what you will do? You will first of all make a triangle and name any of the angle theta. Theta is this thing. All of you know what I am saying. This theta. Theta is this symbol. Okay. This is actually symbol for angle. Okay. So what we will do? We'll make a triangle and we'll name any of the angle other than 90 degree as theta. Okay. So it is given that cot theta is 7 by 8. That is 7 by 8. And cot theta, we know it is base upon perpendicular. So base is 7 and perpendicular is 8. We'll take this way. Okay. Now we'll find AC. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. That is equal to 8K square plus 7K square. Okay. That is equal to 64K square plus 49K square. Okay. What it will be? 64 plus 49. 113. So it is 113K square, or AC can be written as under root 113K. So AC is under root 113K. Okay. Now we have to evaluate this thing. Okay. So we'll substitute. Okay. 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. All of you try to find the value. First of all, find the value of sine theta and cos theta. Sine theta, here I am writing here only, sine theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 8K and hypotenuse is 113. Okay. And cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Base is 7K and hypotenuse is 113K. K and K will get cancelled. Okay. So this will be 1 plus sine theta is 8 by under root 13 by 1 minus 8 by under root 13 by 1 plus 7 by under root 13 and 1 minus 7 by under root 13. Okay. So this can be written as Under root 13 plus 8 upon 130 under root 113, and this will be under root 113
And we can
minus.
even use the identity.
Yes, now we will use identity only. Okay, so 113 plus 7 by 100. Okay, this and this can be cancelled. So a plus b, a minus b will be a square minus b square. Okay, and this will be a square minus b square. So 113 minus 64, 113 minus 49. Okay, so this will be 49 upon 64. Okay, so I think some students got the answer. Okay, 49. Hardik got the answer, 49 by 64. Hinal Himani also got 49 by 64. Okay, it's correct. Now, the other part is, should I display this solution? If anybody is copying, you can copy. Then we are going to do the other part. Other part is just, okay, some more are typing the answers. Nirviksha, okay, Harini, okay. It's correct, 49 by 64. Okay. Then cot theta we have to find. Okay. Cot theta also I am finding here only because our figure is here. So cot theta, base upon perpendicular. Base is 7k and perpendicular is 8k. Okay. So we have to find cot square theta. Cot square theta, that is equal to 7 by 8 the whole square. That is also 49 by 64. These are the two parts. Okay. If anybody is copying, you can copy. Okay. Okay. Harini is also typing both the parts. 49 by 64, it's correct. So if everybody has finished this question, we can move ahead. Just type Y if this question is over. If everybody finished the question, just type Y. Nirviksha, Hardik, Avni, they have finished. Yash, okay, Harini, Hinal, Himani, Kavin. Siddharth, you have also finished? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now next question. This is question number 8. Okay. 3 cot A equals to 4. First of all, it is given that 3 cot A equals to 4. So we'll make a figure A, B, C. Cot A equals to 4 by 3. That is equal to base upon perpendicular is this. So this angle is under consideration. Base is 4K and perpendicular is 3K. By PGT, we can find AB. AB will be 5K. Okay. Then we have to find 1 minus tan square A and 1 plus tan square A and cos square A minus sine square A. Is it equal to this or not? This we have to check. Okay, this is the question. So cot A is given. Tan A we can directly find from here. Tan A is just reciprocal of cot. So tan A is 3 by 4. Okay. Cos A and sin A also we can find. Cos A is base upon perpendicular. Base upon hypotenuse, sorry. Base upon hypotenuse. Base is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. Sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. Now we'll substitute on the both sides. So 1 minus 3 by 4 the whole square. 1 plus 3 by 4 the whole square. Okay. And on RHS side, we'll find, or we can find actually separately LHS and RHS. First of all, I am finding LHS. So this is 1 minus 9 by 16, 1 plus 9 by 16, that is equal to 16 minus 9 upon 16, 16 plus 9 upon 16, 16 and 16 cancel, 16 minus 9 is 7, and this is 25. Okay. Now RHS cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A is RHS cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A is 4 by 5 the whole square. Sin square A is 3 by 5 the whole square. That is equal to 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. That is equal to 7 by 25. Okay. So LHS is coming equal to RHS. So yes, you have to write yes, they are equal. Okay. Some students have typed okay answer. Hardik has typed it is equal. Okay, it is correct. Okay. So yes, they are equal. What they means actually this
Excuse me,
relation.
ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain the base of the question once again?
Base of the question. Question 8.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
ठीक है. क्वेश्चन 8 ये है, हमको ये दिया है 3 cot A equals to 4. ठीक है, तो we are writing cot A equals to 4 by 3. Okay. If I know any one trigonometric ratio, I can find all the other trigonometric ratios from this. Okay. Now I have to check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Is it equal or it's not equal? I have to check this. This is the question.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So what we have done from cot A, हमको जो जो चेक करना है कौन कौन सा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो रिक्वायर्ड होगा, tan, cos और sin, वो सारा हमने फाइंड कर लिया. tan we have found directly by reciprocaling cot, क्योंकि cot और tan एक दूसरे के रेसिप्रोकल होते हैं. cos
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have for cos and sin, first of all we made a triangle, उसमें एंगल A लोकेट किया. एंगल A लोकेट करने के बाद बेस 4 है और परपेंडिकुलर 3 है. बेस we have located 4, perpendicular 3, and we found the hypotenuse also. Okay. By PGT,
Okay, ma'am.
it's, we know that actually 3, 4 and 5 they form PGT. So अगर perpendicular base 3 और 4 है तो hypotenuse obviously 5 होगा. So we found all the three sides. Then we found cos A, we found sin A, and we substituted on the both the sides to check whether they are equal or not. And I have first found LHS, which is 7 by 25. Then I found RHS, which is also 7 by 25. So they are equal. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about others?
Yes.
Okay. So now can I move to next question? Is anybody copying?
Now I am copying it.
Okay, okay, copy it. Okay, question number 9th answer. Okay, you have started doing question number 9th also, Hinal Himani. Okay, others can also start reading question number 9.
I'm copying.
Copied? Okay, so let us come to question number 9. In a triangle ABC, right angled at B. There is a triangle ABC which is right angled at B. Okay. Tan A is 1 by root 3. Okay, if it will take A this side, it will be convenient. Okay, so tan A is this angle under consideration. Tan A is 1 by root 3, and tan is what? Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is K only, base is root 3K. We can find hypotenuse. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. That is equal to root 3K. So it will be 3K square plus BC is K square. Okay, so it is 4K square, or AC will be equal to 2K. Okay, so this is 2K. Now sine A, we have to find sine A cos C, cos A, sin C. This all things will be required. We have to basically find this cos A, sin C. Okay, so first of all we'll find sine A. Sine A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is equal to 1 by 2. Then cos A is base upon hypotenuse, that is equal to root 3 by 2. Then cos C is also base upon hypotenuse, but the angle is this now. So K upon 2K, that is equal to 1 by 2. And next is sin C. Sin C is root 3K upon 2K, that is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, so we'll substitute this all values here. This is 1 by 2. Cos C is again 1 by 2. Cos A is root 3 by 2. And sin C is also root 3 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. That is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay. First part is done. Any doubt in this part? Then part B. Okay, we have to just I am doing here only because all values are written here, so it will be convenient. Anyway, it is just one step more now. Cos A, cos C minus sin A, sin C. Okay, cos A is root 3 by 2, cos C is 1 by 2, sin A is 1 by 2, and sin C is root 3 by 2. So basically it is root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, that is equal to 0. So this is also the answer. Okay, 0 and 1. Any doubt in this question number 9? Anybody?
No, ma'am.
No doubt? Okay. Okay, Hardik has typed the answer. Hinal Himani has also done this question. Harini has also typed the answer and she has no doubt. Okay, okay. If anybody is having any doubt, please type D or please type doubt in our chat box. Okay, so no doubt, everybody is saying okay. So now example 5 is there. Okay, that is somewhat tricky, actually somewhat difficult. So in triangle OPQ, okay, you can see on my screen and even you can see in your book, in triangle OPQ, which is right angled at P, OP is given. OP is given 7 and we are given OQ minus PQ is 1. OQ minus PQ is 1. We have to find the other trigonometric ratios. Okay, so here actually what you will do is, first of all you will put PGT, OQ square equals to QP square plus OP square. Okay, and
What is PGT?
PGT, Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
By
ma'am.
Pythagoras theorem we have written this statement. Now OQ की वैल्यू क्या है, ये क्वेश्चन में दिया है. OQ is PQ plus 1. PQ जब इधर जाएगा तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, OQ equals to PQ plus 1. So instead of OQ we'll write PQ plus 1 and we will solve this. We'll get the value of PQ. We'll substitute PQ here. We'll get the value of OQ and then we will find sin Q and cos q. Is it clear? Should I solve it? Okay, I am
Ma'am, it's
solving.
No,
clear.
ma'am.
What? So it is given that there is a triangle. Example 5. There is triangle QPO and OP is 7 centimeter. It's right angled here. OQ is 1 plus PQ. It is given actually. We have just moved PQ on the other side. We'll first of all put Pythagoras theorem, that is this way. Okay, OQ is 1 plus PQ the whole square, PQ square plus OP is 7 square. Now putting the identity A square plus B square plus 2AB equals to PQ square plus 49. This and this cancel. 2PQ is 49 minus 1, or 2PQ is 48. PQ is 24. Okay, PQ we got 24. Now you can find OQ by PGT. This is actually absolute value. That's what I am not. That's why I am not taking that K. Okay, it's not a ratio. PQ is 24 centimeter. So when you will find by PGT, you will get this as 25 centimeter. Now we have to find sine Q, and so sine Q is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is equal to 24 by 25. Sorry, sine Q. So Q under consideration. See, then perpendicular will be OP upon OQ, that is equal to 7 by 25. Okay, cos Q. Cos Q is base by hypotenuse. Base is 7 and hypotenuse is O. Cos Q, sorry, base
No, ma'am. 24.
PQ upon OQ. PQ is 24 and OQ is 25. Okay, so this way we have to do this question. Any doubt? If any doubt is there, you can ask. Anybody? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, when we will get to know that where we have to use K or not?
जहाँ पे रेशो दे रखा होगा, जैसे 4/3 है, तो ये 4 उसकी एक्यूरेट वैल्यू नहीं है. 4 मतलब दो साइड्स है, जो 20 है और 15 है, तो भी रेशो 4/3 हो सकता है, या फिर 16 है और 12 है, तो भी रेशो 4/3 हो सकता है. तो 4/3 जस्ट अ
हमेशा
रेशो.
तो 4/3 आता है.
नहीं नहीं, जहाँ पे तुमको सेंटीमीटर में या मीटर में ऐसी लेंथ दी है, वहां पे वो लेना है, अदरवाइज स्केल लोगे तो इट इज एक्यूरेट एक्चुअली. With time you will come to know it's not a big thing, or anyway answer will not come wrong, but that is the right approach. That's why I'm teaching you this way. Okay, this meeting is going to end actually, so let us reconnect and then I'll solve your doubts. Okay.